Millionaires understand something most people never slow down enough to notice. The highest form of luxury isn't louder, bigger, or more complicated. It's calmer. It's cleaner. It's control, over space, over time, over privacy, and over how you move through the world. This Rolls-Royce inspired motorhome is built exactly for that kind of person. From the outside, it doesn't resemble an RV or a traveling house. It reads like a statement of quiet power, dark, composed, deliberate. The proportions feel engineered rather than decorated. The surfaces look heavy, premium, confident. And the overall silhouette carries that unmistakable arrival energy, like the road itself is being asked to make room. Step inside, and the interior reveals itself as one continuous, carefully sculpted shell. Nothing feels disconnected. Every surface, every transition, every curve feels intentional. The lounge sits at the heart of the motorhome, compact yet composed. Slim, integrated sofas wrap along the sides, finished in deep tones that echo the exterior's seriousness. A single table anchors the space, no extras, no clutter. Black tinted windows run horizontally beside the seating, allowing the outside world to glide past while the interior remains calm and controlled. Soft golden lighting traces the ceiling seams, creating an atmosphere that feels more like a private jet cabin than a motorhome. As you move deeper inside, the space flows naturally into the bedroom without abrupt walls or wasted corridors. This sleeping area isn't designed to feel separate, it's designed to feel protected. The bed sits low and grounded, integrated directly into the structure of the motorhome. Gray and olive bedding brings warmth without breaking the dark luxury mood, layered carefully to feel inviting but refined. Subtle golden light glows beneath the bed and behind the headboard, adding depth and calm without distraction. The ceiling above becomes a statement of quiet craftsmanship, with sculpted panels and star-like lighting that recalls the elegance of a Rolls-Royce headliner. This is a place meant for rest, not retreat, where the road fades without disappearing. Beside the bedroom, the dressing zone continues the same language. There's no sudden shift in style, no sense of entering a different room. Storage runs seamlessly along the wall, finished in deep olive panels framed with black and champagne accents. Hanging clothes appear softly behind tinted glass, while drawers and compartments remain hidden until needed. A fold-down vanity emerges when required, complete with gentle backlighting and a concealed stool. It's a space designed for routine without ceremony, efficient, elegant, and deeply personal. The kitchen reinforces the motorhome's commitment to realism and control. This is a compact galley designed to be used, not admired from a distance. Cabinetry blends into the shell, finished in olive tones that feel rich and grounded. The countertop remains clean but alive, holding just enough everyday items to signal real use: coffee, cups, essentials. A flush-mounted stove sits seamlessly within the surface, paired with a compact sink and integrated appliances hidden behind paneling. Adjacent to the kitchen, a two-seater dining setup offers a place to pause and eat without expanding beyond what the space allows. Everything fits. Everything works. Nothing is wasted. Now the office area takes the luxury conversation in a different direction, because time and focus are luxuries too. The office is a separate, dedicated zone, compact and controlled. A built-in desk integrates into the wall with matte black surfaces and subtle champagne trim. A low-profile executive chair sits in dark leather, supportive without being bulky. Shelving is flush and purposeful: books, documents, essentials. The lighting here shifts slightly toward task function while staying warm and cinematic. When you need privacy, a smoke glass or matte black sliding panel can separate the space from the rest of the motorhome. That means you can work, plan, decide, and create without feeling like you're sitting in the middle of the living room. It's the kind of design that respects how wealthy people actually operate: quietly, privately, efficiently. The bathroom is where the motorhome proves it understands real motorhome physics. This is not an open spa area. It's a separate enclosed cabin with a door, compact, sealed, private. Inside, everything is arranged to make the most of minimal space: a corner shower with glass enclosure, a compact vanity, a space-saving toilet, and a vertical backlit mirror that enhances the feeling of height. Lighting is warm and even, eliminating harsh shadows and keeping the cabin calm. Materials are water-ready, matte, durable, premium. It feels like a private aircraft lavatory upgraded to a luxury suite finish, not a cheap RV bathroom with plastic vibes. One of the motorhome's most distinctive features is its mini pool cabin, a small but deliberate indulgence. This is not a spectacle, it's a moment. The pool is recessed into the floor, sized for one, surrounded by dark surfaces and subtle golden light. When the door closes, the world outside disappears, leaving only stillness and warmth. It's a reminder that luxury isn't about scale, it's about intention. Passenger seating throughout the motorhome remains compact and purposeful. Seats are supportive, well-proportioned, and positioned to maintain visual connection with the surroundings. Windows remain present but controlled, and lighting never overwhelms. Long journeys feel effortless, not demanding. At the front, the cockpit completes the experience. This is a command area built for confidence, not theatrics. The dashboard stretches wide and clean, with clearly defined controls and displays that prioritize usability. The steering wheel feels familiar and substantial. Seats support long hours without fatigue. Through the panoramic windshield, the road opens up, not as an escape, but as an invitation. Lighting here is restrained, ensuring focus remains where it should be. This motorhome isn't positioned for everyone, and it doesn't pretend to be. It's designed for individuals who value privacy over publicity, precision over excess, and control over compromise. Pricing reflects that reality. This is a machine for millionaires, and realistically, for those who understand that the most powerful luxury is independence. So the question isn't whether this motorhome looks expensive. The question is whether it fits how you live. Would you take it into quiet mountains where silence feels like a privilege? Would you follow coastlines without needing reservations? Would you park somewhere remote, close the door, and let the world shrink down to a calm golden glow and black-tinted glass? Because in a machine like this, travel isn't a break from your life. It's your life, refined, controlled, and carried forward on wheels. And if you could take the keys today, where would you go first?